Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Well, thank you for tuning in again to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And I'm guessing here because you either like balloon modelling, juggling or magic, or maybe a little bit of all three of those things. And today what I've got for you is a balloon modelling tutorial showing you some simple hat designs. Now you can use these to add a little bit extra to your daughter's or your son's birthday party without feeling the need of hiring a children's entertainer or a professional balloon modeler. And after sort of say about 15-20 minutes of practice, you'll be able to do these designs like a pro. So the first design that I'm going to show you is what's known as the helmet design, and just pops on the top there, and that's what it looks like. Sometimes it's referred to as a space helmet. It's very easy to make. All you need is a single 260 balloon. So I'm going to show you how in just a moment. So you need to inflate your 260 balloon almost all the way, maybe just leaving about a centimetre or half a centimetre uninflated at the end. What you're going to do to start with, whether you're making the balloon hat for, you're going to just wrap it around their head. Make sure it's a nice snug fit, and then just leave your fingers there. So you're going to make your twist there. You're going to get where you made the knot. Just tie it around a few times, and then you're going to make a pinch twist here, about a 1 finger bubble, no bigger than that. So that's what you should have to begin with. And then all you're going to do, you're going to find the centre, give it a squeeze, keep the balloon nice and soft, and you're going to go to the end and just make literally another 1 finger bubble, just like that. And then you're just going to go to the centre and you're just going to literally wrap it round. And there you have your space helmet. Now you're probably thinking, why has Martin got his beanie hat on? I bet it's because he hasn't got his hair cut yet. And you know what? You'd be absolutely right. And you'll know when I have had my hair cut because I won't be wearing my beanie hat. So this is a really super easy design. I've done this at kids' parties, sort of kids' clubs in schools, and children really like it, and it's super easy to make. So that's the first design, a balloon helmet. Moving on from the balloon helmet, you can make a hat flower design, and this is what the hat flower design looks like. Again, it's a nice snug fit on top, and my hat's wilting a bit, and it's got a blue stem. So I think we've got to put that right and make it with a green stem. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, if you don't know how to make the kind of basic petals for a flower, there should be a link above my head. You want to click on that, and that will show you how to do the petals for a simple flower design. So what you're going to do is you're going to inflate again almost all the way, maybe leaving about a centimetre at the end, and you're just going to start making your hat in exactly the same way that you made the helmet hat. Make sure it's a nice snug fit. Make your twist there. Take your knotted end, just twist it around a few times. And again, you're going to put a small pinch twist in here. So about a 1 finger bubble. lift it up and pinch twist. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my flower a little bit of shape. And I'm going to leave about 2 inches there, no more than 2 inches, and I'm going to add a pinch twist here. And this will make sure that the petals and the flower head point towards the screen. So I'm just going to do a little pinch twist in here. Again, about a 1 finger bubble. Just pinch twist. Mine's a bit on the small side, but that doesn't matter. Got the flower petals that I made earlier. We're going to feed this through into here, just between a couple of the flower petals. And there you have a really nice flower hat. The last design that I'm going to show you is a swan hat design. Yes, I'm flying off to Milan tomorrow to go down the catwalk with my blue model designs. Now, for this design, you need to leave about 4 or 5 fingers uninflated. Give the balloon a good squeeze and stretch, keep it nice and soft. And again, you're going to just do it in the same way. So, make your twist there. Take your knot, wrap it round a couple of times. And you're going to make a little 1 finger bubble. That's half a finger bubble. And just make a pinch twist there. Now, the trick with this design is to get that shape. So you're going to push a little bit of air into here. And you're going to shape it like a swan's. You're just going to get it, just give it a squeeze and a massage, just like that. And don't be frightened of giving it a good squeeze, because the modelling balloons are very, very robust. Certainly the good quality ones are. And there you go, you've got your swan design. And if you want, you can get your Sharpie marker and just add a couple of eyes. I'll show you the one that I did earlier. Just add a couple of eyes either side, and there you go. So you've got 3 fabulous balloon designs that you can use for your daughter or your son's birthday party, just to add that something a little extra. And you're not going to have to hire a children's entertainer. Other things that you could attach to the basic design. You could attach a heart. So if you look above my head, there'll be the link how to make a balloon heart. Or you can maybe attach a monkey in a tree. And again, if you just look in a moment's time, there'll be a link somewhere above my head taking you to a tutorial to tell you how to make a monkey in a palm tree. So I've got lots of other balloon modelling tutorials on my channel. Be sure to check them out. I've got some magic on there too. I've got quite a few juggling tutorials there too. So don't forget, give me a like, hit the subscribe button. If you're watching me on Twitter or Facebook, make sure that you follow me. And again, thank you for watching, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye bye.